This week's video is a little different. I've decided to go with an unboxing, and this unboxing has to do with the Pill Club. The Pill Club, I don't really know much of it. When I heard about it, I thought it was like fake, like, you know, it's free birth control, other free stuff. I was shocked, when I first filled out my form on their website. It was a little weird. I didn't know what I was doing. Because, I filled it out a couple weeks ago, and, I didn't get anything. I didn't receive, of my knowledge, I didn't receive a phone call, no emails, nothing. So I was like, oh, okay, well, did it work or not? So I logged back on my account about a week ago to double check if anything has changed. And I did make some changes. And like a week later, I received this pink package, beautiful color. And I didn't know what it was. It doesn't have anything, this. So I had to open it, and I was shook. So I want to share it with you, because I know I've had a few people mention it to me, and I would reply back with oh yeah, I've heard about them, I just don't know much. And everybody that has mentioned it to me, they were really hesitant about it too. They wanted to see if it was for reals without actually buying anything, but you don't buy anything. It's your insurance covers it. I mean, you can qualify for that. Your insurance can cover it. So I went ahead and tried it, and I received the box or the package in my mail. I had no idea what it was. Okay, so here it goes. It came with this little sticker. You can do it, motivation of the day, week, you can do it. It comes with a little book, pharmacy essentials. It has frequently asked questions, patient rights and obligations, grievance form. And it also has it in Spanish. This is the English, and this is Spanish. Okay. I've watched videos of people doing this unboxing or reviews or whatever. And I noticed how they all had different amount of birth controls, and apparently you could get a 3-month supply or 6-month supply. I didn't know. It didn't give me that option to choose, so mine came with a year supply. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's all of them. That is all of them. And then I got I can't even pronounce it, but there's that. It has 28 tablets, one little card, I want to see how they look, so I will open one here. It has the little labels, the stickers to choose your day, whatever day you want to start with. It looks, well, at least mine. This is how mine looks. You can choose your own, I guess, birth control. Like if you are taking a specific one right now, you can choose that same one. A little packet it comes with, a little envelope, paper thing. Just stick it right in there. If I can even put it in there. That, right? It's like every birth control. Okay, so that's that. And it also came with an 100% organic cotton Cali tampon. Personally, I grew up with that whole thing where, you know, Mexican parents don't want you to exactly wear tampons because, you know, you lose your virginity and whatnot. But, you know, we're all getting older, so I did like start using them, but not as often. I also still use pads, panty liners. And then this came with that, which is for this, and it has 100% organic, chemical-free cotton tampons and pads delivered right to your door every month. Choose clean, eliminate 50 plus chemicals like rayon, dioxin, and chlorine from your everyday. Treat yourself. Receive a free luxury gift each month with the Lux Box, and it has a code in the back at 50% off with the code. I'm gonna look into this. I really like it. Sounds nice. And another thing came in here is these Chewy Fruities organic candy chews. Assorted flavors, juicy, sour, USDA organic. That's that. These are kind of, they do feel hard and big. It's just two big squares. There's one. There's this one feels more like a cube. But yeah. There's that. I'm gonna try those in a bit. And papers, information about the birth control, other questions. What is the drug used for? What do I need to tell my doctor before I take this drug? And another thing, I was a little shocked. I've never used these in my life. Never thought I would. You know, I have them, so I am actually pretty curious to give them a try. And that is female condoms. Yeah. I've never used these in my life, and I'm actually a little excited. Weird, but excited. And it tells you how to insert them, how to remove them. And each of these boxes contain 12 female condoms in it. I was a little surprised, shocked. The instructions are in there, of course. Two boxes came in there. 2 of them. Total of 24 condoms. And this, the last thing that was in there, has information of how to insert a condom, a female condom. It has images. No, I can't show you that. These are FDA approved, may be a source of pleasure for both partners, well lubricated, latex free, hormone free, and dual protection. What more do you need? That is all I got. I know there are some people that have gotten the